today I will be showing all the uses of how to use Cammi oil. Step 1, for your edges, take a droplet on your finger, place it on your edges, and then I like to use a toothbrush to really get it in. Another way to use Cammi oil is to grow your eyebrows. My eyebrows used to be very thin, but now they're thicker now. So again, I'm going to take one little drop of Cammi oil, rub it on my eyebrow, and then take a spoolie and go like this. I preferably like to do this at night. Now for applying Cammi oil to your scalp. You can do a drop on your finger, or I like to take it just directly to my scalp, put it on, and then massage it in gently. Those are all the ways to grow your hair and eyebrows with Cammi oil. Grow your edges with Cammi oil.